Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In the last lesson, we created our first measure using count function and we calculated total number of employees, but now we're going to improve it. We want to calculate the same KPI total employees, but this time using a better function, COUNTROWS. Go to your KPI table, then click Modeling, New Measure. Now type total employees =, count rows, then choose staff. Press enter. Power BI created a new measure that counts the total number of rows in the staff table and says each row equal 1 employee. This gives you total numbers of employees. Click on the new measure, a visual will appear. Change it to card. Now you'll see your KPI again. Now let's understand the difference between count and COUNTROWS. The count function counts non-empty values in a column and ignores blanks. The problem with this function, if there are missing values, the count becomes incorrect. But COUNTROWS counts all rows in the table and it doesn't depend on a specific column. The results always accurate, and of course if each row equal 1 record. In real-world data, columns can have missing values, so using count can give you wrong results, but COUNTROWS always counts everything, more reliable and more professional. Always use COUNTROWS when counting records, especially for employees, orders and transactions. This small change makes your dashboard more accurate, and accuracy is everything in data. In the next lesson, we'll continue building smarter measures and KPIs. Now you're thinking like a real data analyst. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.